Okay, on number 6 and 7, I'm going to do these on the paper because it's too much rewriting for the video. Okay, verify the solution below is correct and explain why. If it is incorrect, find the step where the mathematical error occurred and explain what the error was and what should have been done. Okay, so what we're going to do is go step by step through here and figure out what happened. What did they do to 8 to get 4, 6 to get 3, 12 to get 6, and 72 to get 36? They divided by 2, didn't they? So if you divide all these by 2, you go down to here, don't you? 8 divided by 2 is 4, 6 divided by 2 is 3, 12 divided by 2 is 6, and 72 divided by 2 is 36. When you divide these, you make the number smaller, don't you? And they're easier to work with. So this step checks. So the first step is to divide by 2. Now then, what did they do to go from here to here? They grouped the 4m and the 3m, didn't they? Did they add 4 and 3 up correctly? Yes, they did. So check that. So combine 4 and 3. That step was done correctly, right? Now then, they're missing a step here. I'm going to go over here. 7m minus 6 equals 36. How did they end up with m equals 6? We have to move over the negative 6. You're going to add 6. You get 7m equals 42. Then you divide by 7. And what is 42 divided by 7? It works, doesn't it? So what did we do here? We added 6 to 36 and divide some by 7, which equals 6. You've got to be able to write down the steps, and that's basically explaining how it's correct. So we divided by 2, we combined the 4m and 3m and got 7m, and then we added the 6 across to the 36 and divided the sum of 42 by 7, which equals 6, which is our answer. So this problem was done correctly. Right here, I'm going to rewrite this. 0.3r minus 0.25 equals 1.4. Okay, Marissa multiplied the equation. This should be 10, and Rob multiplied both sides by 100. Will both students eliminate the decimal in the equation? Marissa multiplied by 10, so her decimals will move one spot over, won't they? It will eliminate the decimal here and here, but not here, right? She'll still have 2 5/10. So this answer is going to be no. And right here, Rod is going to move his twice, isn't he? So what's going to happen to the 0.3r? He's going to move it twice, and it's going to turn into 30r in it. But the 0.25 will turn into 25. He's going to move it twice, and it's going to end up here, right? So minus 25 equal, and if he moves the 1.4 twice, he's going to have to add a 0. Notice he doesn't have any decimals in his problem, does he? Okay, so how do we know? The 0.25 has 2 decimal spots, so it has to be moved twice. That's why multiplying by 10 won't eliminate. Whose equation do you think will be easier to solve? Rod will not have any decimals, will it? So Rod's would be easier to solve. And it's the reason why it's all integers, right? There's no decimals.